Hello everyone, what's going on? In today's video I'm gonna be showing you some cool stuff I did to have fun. You know, at those rough days at the office. Let's dig in. Let's start with the very well-known game Snake. Who hasn't played this one, huh? So much fun back in the days. You can play this one by just running the main script I created and it will automatically create all the necessary MSR files, folders and a small GUI to interact with. Let's play. So there you go. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to play the game. And by pressing N on your keyboard, you can increase the speed and go faster, like this. Let's start the game one more time. Let's see if I can get a higher score. Isn't that fun, is it? On top of that, since it is the age of artificial intelligence, I decided to go for some kind of AI, a genetic algorithm by the name of NEAT that stands for New Evolution of Augmenting Topologies. NEAT basically what it does is to add and delete neurons in order to find the best topology for the neural network that work the best for the problem we are solving out. It starts simple and gets more and more complex only if it needs to. So let's give it a try. Okay, there you go guys, that was the train model in action. As you have seen, the algorithm only was able to get a 27 score, and that's pretty much it that I wanted to show you, and I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.